Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into the free video for tonight, we've got a unique situation. You've got a market that is really on edge, and I think as you approach Friday's trade, you've got some pretty basic levels to consider. So the 3750, as you mark off the significant strike values, 3750 usually does come up, and I believe how you open here tomorrow will be critical. That is to say, if you open below it, it's going to be a really tough situation for bulls, and you could see an environment that just really continues to slip and gets down here and tests as low as something like 3650. So truly, a 100 handle move tomorrow is not out of the question. So that's one scenario and one pattern that I want to be prepared for. If you open, however, and we are above that 3750, and the tone of the day has a little bit more maybe short covering to it, I'm just curious if they're going to be able to drive the market higher to help crush the intrinsic value of the 3800 put. It's a market that is no stranger to kind of crazy movement that really just grinds out or inflicts kind of the max pain way of thinking on so many options. So to grind up higher, to see those $3,800 puts really lose a lot of intrinsic value is something that I think we could see. And then at and just a little bit above 3,800, carry forward that 3,814. Because say we pin or close exactly on Friday at 3,800, then there is still very much the path down here into 3,650. Only above this level do I really change my opinion. So that's just another way of saying, I think we're headed to 3650, but you may not have to force it on Friday. If you get a little bit of a bounce, allow for that up into 3815, and only above there do I begin to change this opinion. So I hope that gives you some helpful levels to act on Friday. You guys have good trading, and I will see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.